Conditional formatting. Suppose you do not want to hide any rows but still want to highlight all the cells that satisfy a condition. For example, greater than 80. This type of formatting is known as conditional formatting in Excel. To apply conditional formatting to a series of data, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the data to which formatting is to be applied. Step 2. Click on the Conditional Formatting command from Styles group under Home tab. A drop-down list appears. This list shows various criteria like Highlight Cells rules. This option is selected when you want to highlight all the cells satisfying a given condition. When you hover the mouse pointer over this option, it opens a sub-list showing criteria like greater than, less than, equal to, between, etc. Top or bottom rules. This option is selected when you want to highlight some top or bottom number of items in a data series. When you hover the mouse pointer over this option, it opens a sub-list showing criteria like top 10 items, top 10%, bottom 10 items, bottom 10%, etc. Data bars. This option is selected when you want to add data bars to the cells having numeric data. When you hover over the mouse pointer over this option, it opens a sub-list showing bars of different types and colors that can be added to the cells. Color scales. This option is selected when you want to add color schemes to all selected cells slowly, varying from top to bottom items. When you hover the mouse pointer over this option, it opens a sub-list showing different color variations that can be added to cells. Icon sets. This option is selected when you want to add icon sets to show which cells are acceptable, which are moderate, and which need attention. The different types of icon sets that can be added are shown in the sub-list that opens when the mouse pointer is hovered over this option. Step 3. Select the desired conditional formatting. In this case, we have selected the orange data bar option under the data bars category. The selected conditional formatting is applied to the selected cell range. You can also define your own rule for highlighting cells by selecting New Rule option from the Conditional Formatting drop-down list. The conditional formatting features applied to a data range can be cleared by selecting Clear Rules option from the Conditional Formatting drop-down list.